When you need to store and work with data in memory without storing it in the database, you will use universal value collections. They are very useful for temporary data processing, calculations, and intermediate results. In many cases, we don't need to store data permanently. Sometimes we only need to group values, process them, sort them, or pass them between procedures. Universal value collections allow us to do this efficiently and flexibly. Let's take a look at the most commonly used. An array is an index collection of values. Each position has its unique index, and you can address the element in it by using the position index. A value table is similar to a table with columns and rows. It's one of the most powerful collections and is frequently used for reports, calculations, and data transformation. A structure stores data as a key value pairs. Each value is accessed by its name, which makes the code readable and convenient. A value list is a simple collection of values. It's often used to store a list of selectable options, for example, in form fields or filters. Universal value collections are commonly used inside modules, especially in server-side logic. You'll see them in reports, common modules, document processing, and integrations. Because they exist only in memory, they are fast and safe to use for calculation. The main advantage of universal value collections is flexibility. They don't require metadata changes and can be created dynamically in code. However, remember that their data is lost when the procedure finishes. They are not stored in the database.